Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. Recently I got so many requests to show some designs on dupatta, so today I'd love to share you mirror kutch work pattern. This you can also try like the booties wherever you want on overall designing of blouse or on plain sarees. I'd be sticking the plastic mirror of circular shape, and here I'd be using anchor pearl cotton silk thread. This is how it looks, and it's easily available in any fancy or the tailoring material shop. This here I'd be using one strand only, and we need to give the random stitches on the mirror. This is for only the reference we are creating. So randomly we have to give the stitches like this. It's an overlapping stitches. Recently kutch work patterns are very much trending, and it's so simple and really gives an elegant look for any types of garment designing. So this is one of the most which I like, because the dupatta which I have shown in the pic, which really gives an elegant look. You must try these type of designs because these will not take much time of yours. And this is how the reference lines has been created. Now on this I'd be stitching along with the fabric of one loop with this reference lines and creating the loops like this. That means we are creating the frame on this mirror. So using those stitch lines along with the fabric lines, we are creating like this. This is how the complete frame has to be created on this mirror. For this type of kutch work patterns, use the contrasted colors, which will really gives a nice look. I've given the outer circle marking. This much distance I'll be maintaining here. This is to create the buttonhole, also called as blanket stitch. We are starting from this outer line and leaving a small space. Along with the mirror frame, we have to run the needle, maintaining the equal gap of strand. This is how it looks. This is how the blanket stitch or buttonhole stitch has to be made. So the complete outer circle has to be done in this way only. Here I'm using different colors so that those who are watching can easily understand, so that it will make your work easy to do. Use the same colors which I have shown for the dupatta, or else like this type of contrasted colors, which will really give an awesome look. Now I'm almost at the end. You can clearly see here, and just pulling the needle from this side. Now to finish off the sketch work, I'd be stitching here the triangle shape, taking the fabric loops like this, creating the triangle. So simple, inserting like this, and ensure how much triangle you want to have here. That much length we have to pull the fabric loops or the fabric strands to create the triangle shape. And friends, this will really gives the nice look. You must have to try to turn your old garments into new, which will really gives an elegant look. Once completed, this is how it looks. The dupatta which I have designed, this is how it looks. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.